Hey guys, welcome back to Legend of Melda, Pokemon Red Bird Challenge. I just want to give you guys a quick update on my current progress. We're about to go into the SSN, and I traded for that, Farfetch'd. It came with the name of Ducks, unfortunately. That's him. He's level 22. I don't want to go too high again because he was traded, so at 30, I think like 30 is pushing it, and then 31, I'm pretty sure they start to be like, no. Gwen is at 30, and Coco's at 30. And that's all the update I have. I'll see you in a bit when we're facing Gary. Okay guys, welcome back. We are about to take on Gary and get cut, and I know what you're thinking. You have all bird types. What are you gonna do? What can learn cut? Farfetch'd. Farfetch'd can learn cut only in Gen 1, I think. I might be wrong, it might be in other gens. But I know for a fact, in Gen 1, he can learn cut. So we are totally cool. My biggest concern is I haven't really looked over what can learn what yet, so I'm hopeful that Psyduck is a water type, and you know how like it was weird in Gen 1, like flying didn't affect Ghost, so I'm gonna have some trouble there. I'm gonna need Psyduck at that point for sure. If he can learn Surf, I think he can, and if not, I'm gonna have to improvise, like I'll have to just catch somebody. I won't use that one obviously, but I'm gonna have to figure something out. Because otherwise it's just, there's no way to go forward. So, we'll see. We'll see when we cross that bridge though. So I didn't know how to close out of the emulator, and I didn't want to lose all my, all of my progress, so I just didn't turn the computer off or turn anything off. So I went and I just saved, and it says I'm at like 28 hours. Like on top of doing the speed. Nope, no, I didn't want to do that. On top of speeding everything up, it also, you know, like, oh, that's funny. It's funny, because I maybe stepped away for, like, you know, 15 hours or so. Sleep and food and everything else, and I'm just doing these on my off days, but, man, Gwen is really kicking ass here. I totally wasn't paying attention. This wing attack is a great move in Gen 1. And I have taken on a couple Pikachus, because I am genuinely concerned about Lieutenant Surge. So I'm thinking that, I think the best way to go about it is to just keep using Fury Attack, honestly. So, just like that way it puts them, its potential, like when you use Wrap in these old games, how you can't do anything in between. Yeah, that's right, Gary, suck it. What a douche canoe. Alright, let's go get cut. Go to the Pokemon Center. Teach Ducks. Teach Ducks cut, and then we'll take on that gym. Okay, so I will see you guys over at that gym. Bye! We'll see you in a bit, not bye. You know what I mean. See you in a bit! Okay, here we are. Oh, I gotta put a bunch of shit in the PC. There we go. Yep, teach cut, yes. Yes. The only one. I'm not actually sure what the strength of this is compared to other things, especially since I guess I'll just get rid of Sand Attack. Peck is the only bird type move I need Fury Attack because of the tightness. Sword Dance is a good thing. Yep, I'm gonna get rid of Sand Attack. Hope for the best here. And this is before you could just walk up to the tree and hit X. And I know we're gonna have trouble in Dark Cave, but the thing is, I've played this game so many times by heart without knowing where to get Flash from in the first place, that I don't think I'm gonna have any trouble going through it with, you know, out knowing Flash. Oh, but I should go through the Diglett tunnel and... oh, no, it doesn't matter. Wait. I gotta look something up, because as soon as I get the Super Rod, I can catch a, Psyduck. But I get the Super Rod... oh, no, that was not the right move. I'm not sure where I get the Super Rod from. I have to double check really quick. Okay guys, that took me way too long to do, but we're good. We figured it out. We're ready to not die. And I know I quote-unquote overpowered my guys. I know. But again, it's for specific scenarios like this, like, it's all electric type, right? So my burbs gotta work extra hard. The next gym will be plenty easy considering it's grass type. And now they all have a flying move, because Gust in this game is not a flying move. Alright, here we go. First one's always easy. Good job, Gwen. Okay, I think Gwen can withstand. Okay, we're gonna be totally fine. Especially if that was Thunderbolt. If it was Thunder Shock, we might be in some trouble. We're great! Okay, great, never mind, we did it! I did level them up like crazy though. Like, as you can see, obviously this wasn't gonna be too much trouble, I figured, but I was still concerned. So. Oh no, I don't have enough space. Oh great, I can get fly now! Oh, I'm special, thank you. Kid, make room in your bag. Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta throw shit in my back. Okay guys, here we are in the dark tunnel. I think I'm just gonna walk through this. Okay, I'll speed up through the battles so you guys don't have to Suffer. I love how they drew Slowpoke in the first two. He's so cute looking. Ooh, there's a gross spider. Go away. Well, now we have to leave this room forever. Shit, it fell and I don't know where it went. Okay, maybe not too far. Sorry, unimportant. I hate spiders. Okay. Yeah. And then there's this... Okay. And I honest to God, I swear, I do not have up a walkthrough of this. I've just played this so many times. Like, when I was a kid, I had more than the Game Boy Color, but we used to do road trips a lot. And I just loved Pokemon, so when I would finish the game, I would just start over and redo it again. You know, so through trial and error, I really know how to do this part of the game. That's not terrible, I guess. Could be better. Cool. Oh, Machop! Yeah. Okay, this way. Costume play. Did he just ask about cosplaying? We're not even gonna mess around with Onyxes. Alright, Duck's fainted, but we're just gonna deal with it. Just because I don't want to, I don't want to go all the way out again. Even on quadruple speed, sometimes this game is a pain in the ass. Shit. If I'm where we think we are, we're almost out of here. There's someone, yeah. Oh, nice. Alright, Gwen, you're my last hope here. Oh. This is wrong. Oh shit. Yay. Yes! Go Gwen! Evolving into Pidgey. I definitely like the next drawings of Pidgey better than the first one. It's always been one of my favorite verbs. Oh, this is the right way. Okay, I think. Okay, yeah, and then I can walk down the middle, or I can go side to side. Okay. Okay. When is my only Pokemon, so let me... We did it! We did it! Oh, you... That's about right. Oh, shit. If I faint now, I swear. This is not good. Okay, phew. I have to say, this is pretty cruel that they, like, decided to add all these extra guys right after you leave the tunnel. Phew. Okay, that one was my fault. Okay, now we are free. We are free, and we made it over to Lavender Town. We did it. Yay us. Okay, this should probably be good for an episode. So in the next one, we're gonna take down Team Rocket and do the Celadon Gym. Hopefully get a drink for that guy so we can get onto that bridge where we can get the Super Rod, where we can get Psyduck. Hopefully that's all gonna be in the next episode. So I hope you guys are enjoying the bird challenge. Let me know what you think, and if you want to see more videos, go ahead and check out the channel. And if you want to tell me stuff, I pay attention mostly to Twitter rather than anywhere else, so the link for my Twitter will be in the description below. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!